everyone. It's Viveka von Rosen, Chief Visibility Officer with Vengresso, and I am so excited about LinkedIn's new pages that I didn't even do my hair today. So just like Cher, Sting, and Bowie, LinkedIn's new pages are so cool, they don't even have to go by the first name company. LinkedIn pages. Now, I have been begging for LinkedIn to come out with company pages that were more interactive, more kind of like Facebook-like for ages and ages. And it looks like this is what's happening. They are actually creating these new pages. They started them from the bottom up to allow both more administration interaction as well as more employee interaction. So first of all, there's going to be a mobile app, and I'm psyched about that. I've already looked on my iPhone. I can't find it yet, so it might not be available yet, but there's a new mobile app, which means administrators can access their company page and share their company page whenever they want. There is also something that is going to help to curate content. So the new company pages are going to be looking for content associated with certain hashtags and serve that curated content up that administrators can then share with their audience. And so that's kind of where folks drop the ball, right? Is they just share the blog posts from their own company or job postings or nothing at all. And yet, if company pages actually shared interesting, relevant content that wasn't all company focused, that was more of interest to their audience, right? The 411 rule, then there's a chance that you'd get more engagement. And it allows for better engagement. So the other really cool thing that these new pages are going to allow is an integration with Hootsuite. And so administrators will get notified whenever there's engagement on their posts on their company pages. And one of the big downfalls, I think, right now is that if you want to see what's happening on your company page as an administrator, you literally have to go to it and then go into notifications and then see what the interaction is. And by that point, it's too late. But if you could get real, just-in-time notifications that someone has commented on an update or a post that you have in your company page, then you can respond to it right away. And by the way, there's going to be a bunch of different types of administrators. So from the people who can, create the page and destroy the page, to folks who are actually just there curating content. So you can have more administrators in managing your page, which is super, super exciting to me as well. Speaking of Hootsuite, it does look like LinkedIn is tearing down those API walls, right? And so it's going to have this integration with Hootsuite and Crunchbase as well. So Crunchbase, their core competency is, or one of their core competencies is analytics. And I think we can all agree that LinkedIn company page analytics have been meh. So maybe this new relationship that they have with Crunchbase will mean better analytics, and you will also be able to see analytics across several pages. So what pages are doing better? So that's cool too. Some other neat things with these new company pages. First of all, you get a call to action button. So visit website, right? Before it was just, I think, follow jobs or find jobs or something like that. But now you can actually visit the website. And there's a few other CTAs that you can choose too. So that new call button or call to action button. There's also a tagline. So you can have, your company messaging coming across even stronger, I think. And finally, that background image looks like it's just going to stand on its own. And so no more weirdness. That background image has been so weird. Now, one of the things I did notice, like LinkedIn's still recommending that 1536 by 768 pixel background image, and that don't work. So I was playing around with it, and I found that 1200 by 200-ish. Well, actually, mine was 1125 by 188. It fit pretty well. So just be aware of that they haven't quite caught up to the actual background size, which they haven't for years and years. So what else is new? Right? But I'm really, really excited about this. So when are you going to get your page? Well, I'm going to put the link below so you can click on and see if you can get a new page. I saw that with our existing company pages, we hadn't been updated yet. But when I created a new page, it gave me access to this new user interface. Not all of it, but I did get the call to action button and the tagline and the new background image. And so hopefully the hashtag and the curated content features will be available soon. It's being rolled out right now in the US, and they say it's going to be rolling out to the rest of the world in the next few weeks. So keep an eye out for new LinkedIn Too Cool for Company pages, and keep an eye out on Vengresso, where we bring you the latest and best from LinkedIn. I am Viveka von Rosen, Chief Visibility Officer with Vengresso, and you have a super phenomenal day.